viewers, before going to the class, if you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and just press the bell button so that you can look all the videos whatever I'm going to I'm going to do. Okay, today in our class we are going to take squares. How to find the squares by using the Vedic maths. Everybody feels somewhat hard for doing the squares, but by using this just by using a formula and by using the balancing, already we know the balancing is very easy for us. So from so many days onwards we are doing balancing, no? So by using the balancing and by using the a formula, we can do the squares problems very easily. What is the formula we are going to use is nothing but, see, already we know this formula also, a plus b whole square. What is the formula of a plus b whole square? A plus b whole square formula is a square plus 2ab plus b square. And the next step is nothing but balancing. Already you know the balancing is very easy for you. Balancing is not much hard for you. Yes. So this is the formula we have to use. But instead of plus symbols, just we are going to keep minus. Just for balancing we are going to keep minus. So a square minus 2ab minus b square. Don't think that we are changing the formula. We are not changing the formula. Just for balancing purpose we are writing minus instead of plus. So let me go for a problem so that it will be, you will understand clearly. So for example, if I am going to look 23 square. 23 square. What is 23 square? So how you have to do now only I said. So first is 2 is nothing but a and 3 is nothing but b. Like a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 3 we have to take. So what is our formula I told you now? A square. A square is nothing but, because it's the first problem we are looking all these things. Just we'll write this, then we will do. A square is nothing but 2 square, which is nothing but 4. We have to use 0, 4. 2 digits we have to use now in balancing. Then b square is nothing but 3 square, which is equal to 0, 9, and 2ab is nothing but 2 into 2 into 3. 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12. So if you get this a square, b square and 2ab, then what is our formula? What is that we have to use? 23 square is nothing but a square minus 2ab minus b square. Yes. So what is a square? 0, 4. 2ab is nothing but 12 and b square is nothing but 9. So balancing we know already. 9 we have to write here as what we had done. Next, then 0 plus 2 is 2, 1 plus 4 is 5. So what is our answer? 529. 23 square is nothing but 529. So it's very easy, no? Or else what we will do is 23 into 23, like that we'll do. No? Instead of that, if you know the formula and if you know the balancing, we can do the problem quickly. Okay? Then we will go one more problem. In that problem we are not going to use all these steps, we are not using. Directly we are going to do the problem like 46 square. 46 square. So 46 square, what we have to do? A is nothing but 4, b is nothing but 6. Yes, a square is nothing but 4 square minus 2ab is nothing but 2 into 4 into 6 minus b square is nothing but 6 square. Okay. Then 4 square is nothing but 16. 4 square is nothing but 16 and 2 4 is 8. 8 6 48. Then 6 6 36. So next what we have to write? The answer balancing. This 6 we are going to write. Then 3 plus 8 11. 1 is the carrying and 1 over here. Then 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 6 11. Then 2. 2 1 1 6. If you are having any doubt, you can check it by doing actual squares. So this is a way of doing squaring problems. Okay. Shall we go for one more problem? This is applicable for only 2-digit numbers, not for 3-digit numbers. So now I am going to take 93 square. So in 93 square, A is nothing but 9, B is nothing but 3. A square. In order just to practice, you will write the formula A square minus 2AB minus B square. What is A square? 9 square minus 2 into A is nothing but 9, B is nothing but 3, minus B square is nothing but 3 square. Okay. Then 9 square is nothing but 81. 2 9s 18. 18 3s 54. 3 3s 9. So 9. Thus balancing 4. 5 plus 1 6. 8. So this is our answer. Okay. Thank you very much for viewing my video.